Hi everyone, in this video I want to guide you on how to reset some settings in Windows PC. This process is very simple. In less than 2 minutes guys, you are good to go. So in this video I'll be giving you two major processes which you can use to fix this issue on your device. First, restart Windows audio services. So you have to restart the Windows audio service on your device. Come to this place, type in services in the space provided. Click on this one. Once you've opened it, then scroll down until you see window audio. Click on it. You can see it's running and it's automatic. Maybe your own is manual or not running. Click on it, then right click on it, click on restart. This is going to fix any issue you might be facing. The second process is come to this place, right click on this start icon or menu icon, click on settings. Come to this system button and click on it. Now go to sound here, click on sound. Now scroll up here, scroll up until you see volume miser, click on it. App volume and app input and output, click on it. Once you click on there, scroll down to the base here, you're going to see a button called reset. This button, click on it and to reset it. Reset sound and volume for all apps to recommend default. With this guys, you should be able to fix this problem of sound not working on your device, or how to reset sound system on your Windows PC. If you get this tip you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.